7 pay commission central employees get good news salary will increase by rupees 28,800. 7th pay commission central employees can get a gift any day now. Employees must be wondering what gift they will get. In fact, the central government can increase the dearness allowance DA for central employees and pensioners. The government will increase DA by up to 4%, which will be like a big gift. Following the increase in DA, there will be a record breaking increase in employee salary. This increase will benefit approximately 1 crore employees and pensioners. After this, there will be a bumper increase in the salary of the employees. You must be confused about how much the salary will increase. To clearly up any confusion, central employees can access the information below. We will explain all the calculation in details. For this you will have to read the article carefully. How much will the salary increase after DA? Central employees and pensioners are going to have fun. Following the 4% increase in the dearness allowance DA, there will be a record breaking increase in salary. After this, DA will increase to 54% currently employees and receiving a 50% DA. The calculation of how much salary will increase after the DA hike is easy to understand, so there will be no problem. If the salary of central employees is rupees 40,000, then according to a 4% DA, there will be an increase of rupees 1,600 per month. If we calculate for the whole year, there will be a rupees 19,200 increase. There are many central employees whose salary is up to rupees 60,000. According to 4% DA, there will be an increase of rupees 2,400 monthly in the salary of the central employees. If we talk about the annual salary, there will be an increase of rupees 28,800. The increased DA rates will be considered after from July 1st. The central government has yet to officially announce the date of the DA increase. The media reports suggest that the increase will take place in the first week of September. Previously, an increase in the dearness allowance DA occurred in March. These rates were considered effective from 1st January 2024. Anyway, the government increased the DA twice a year. Its rates are applicable from 1st January and 1st July. Thanks for watching this video. For more and trusted videos, please subscribe our channel.